Hello friends. So today we are going to solve this question. This question is all about there is a wheel or there is a tire and the radius of this wheel is 15 meters. What is that radius? The blue color arrow that you are looking at here. This is the radius, okay, which is from the middle of the wheel to the edge. So this is 15 meters and we'll have to find out how much distance it will travel in 10 rotations. When it goes for 10 rotations, what would be the distance that would be covered by this particular wheel? Okay, now let's draw a wheel first or a circle. In this circle, we know that the radius is 15 meters. What else we know? We know the circumference is 2 pi r. What is circumference? When you start from here till this point is called circumference. That means it is also, I can write it as one rotation, right? One rotation is equal to 2 pi r. What we know? We know r. What else we know? We know the value of pi, universal 3.14. So I can write it as 2 into 3.14 into r is 15 centimeter. Okay. Now if we solve this, we can find 2.3.14 into 15, which is 94.2 centimeter. So what is 94.2 centimeter? That means in one rotation, sorry, this is meter, so this will be meter. In one rotation, the tire goes for 94.2 meters. So in 10 rotation, okay, so I'll simply do 10 into 94.2, okay, which is 942 meters. Okay, now if you want, you can convert it into kilometers also, which is 942 divided by 1000 is 0.942 kilometers. Okay, so now what we know that when the wheel goes for 10 rotations, then it goes for 0.942 kilometers. Simple. Now let's solve another simple question. Now let's look at the question. The question, there is a wheel, okay, and it says after 10 rotations the wheel has traveled 4 kilometers. So when wheel rotated for 10 times, it has gone 4 kilometers. And what we'll have to find out? We have to find out the radius of the wheel. Okay, simple. So let's first draw a circle. Done. Let's consider this is the wheel. Okay, what we know? We know that if I travel from this point to this point, this is called circumference, and the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. In 2 pi r, what we know? We know the value of pi, 3.14. Do we know the value of r? No. This is what we'll have to find out. Now it is tricky. Okay. Now we know that in 10 rotation it has gone for 4 kilometers. So in one rotation, definitely 4 by 10, so which is 0.4 kilometers. One rotation is what? Is 2 pi r, right? Okay, so can I write 2 pi r is equal to 0.4 kilometers? Yes. Now what we know? 2 into 3.14. Do we know radius? No, we don't know. Okay, 0.4 kilometers. Let's solve this. R is equal to 0.4 kilometers by 2 into 3.14. Let's solve this. So 2 into 3.14 is equal to 6.28. Okay, so let me rub this. Can write it as 0.4 divided by 6.28. Okay, now 0.4 divided by 6.28 is 0.0636 kilometer. So the radius is 0.0636 kilometers. If you find out the diameter, what is the formula of diameter? 2r. So 2 into 0.0636, so which is again 0.127 kilometers. If you want, you can convert it into meters as well. Okay, thank you.